So the hem allowance. Okay, so this is 1 inch. The side seams of my pattern says 1 inch. Okay, so sew the complete 1 inch. Okay, since I'm not that good, I'm going to make sure I sew 1 inch right through. Okay, you do this for both sides of your front bodice. Like this. And then you turn it out so that you have this nice finish. Yeah, turn it out. So right sides together, and then you turn it out. That will be on both sides of your. And it all should run right on the grain. Okay, so notches, you gotta follow your notches. Okay, and then, actually I got the wrong end. I should have done that end, I can do it from here. Okay, make believe I'm coming around the corner, but this is how you would finish it. I'm not gonna do all the way. Okay, since it's 1 inch, the best thing I would suggest is you press 1 inch. Now make sure that this is gonna be like a slotted seam now, okay? So I want all of your side seams to be facing to the front bodice. Okay, we're not really slotting anything, but we're gonna make our factory shirts all face to the front. Now let me also say that the reason why it faces the front, that if you have a garment that needs side seam pockets, that's the way the seams are gonna be facing anyway. Okay, so if you put it automatically there, anytime you change your design or anything else, the seam allowances are in its automatic position for these additional things. Also, I just remembered too when I was thinking